thing happened today. I never took an appointment to fix the iPad of Mahdi. I walked into the Apple store without knowing I have to take an appointment. Not bad. Now I have an appointment and oh my god, I have to wait for another 2 to 3 hours. Not bad. Meanwhile, I can have my lunch, and then and the time will pass like this. Let's go and eat something. I am out here at Beirut.
So here is my first dish arrived, full Madame Mas. In addition to this, I've ordered a beef Lebanese burger.
Thank you very much. Look at this. So they got lettuce, tomato ketchup, french fries. This is called Arabic burger. I'm not a big fan of burgers, but trying in Beirut is a different thing. And the pool, I miss it. So yummy. Look at this. Are you not missing this? I love it. If you really want to taste Lebanon street food, this is the best place. You want some? You want some? Look at this. We must try this. Tastes so good. Why I always prefer Al Beirut. Let me tell you, the reason behind me coming again and again to Al Beirut is simply 3 reasons. Number 1, the taste. The taste of food, maybe for me, is really good here. Number 2, they're not as expensive as other Lebanese restaurants. I don't pay too much here, and you will not if you try. Number 3, the service they provide. Hygiene, the staff well trained, they know how to attend customers, they know how to serve their customers. And as a consumer, these 3 things matters to us: taste, price, service. And that's what I found in Al Beirut. You must try. No more comments. When it comes to Chai Karak, I have 2 locations. One at Barsha, right behind Emirates Mall, and the other one at Jumeirah near Shara Diafa. These are the people who knows how to make chai. And here is my first sip. If you don't try Chai Karak, then you try nothing.